Hi, my name is Dr. David Moss, and I'll be your instructor for Communication 103, Section 3090, Interpersonal Communication, Hybrid. This is a hybrid class, meaning that we meet part face-to-face and part online. So we will be meeting every Monday face-to-face in Classroom 488, and then everything else will be online. I'll discuss that more in class when we meet on Monday. So I just want to share this video with you to just give you a brief orientation on how to navigate through the course, because we will not be meeting until Monday, so I wanted to get everyone started on the first two units. So just to share with you a few things that you want to first start doing, and that is, number one is take a look at the syllabus. I have this on the home page right here, and please open that up and read through it thoroughly. Make sure you understand it. If you have any questions on anything, please let me know. We'll go through this in more detail on Monday, but for now I just want to make sure that you understand that the deadlines, the due dates, and so I strongly suggest printing this out, having it in a good place so that you can refer to it on a daily basis. So one of the first things you want to do, and hopefully everyone got my email regards to the textbook, because you will need to do the reading right away. And for these first two units, you're going to need to read chapters 1 and 2. What you'll do is do your reading first, and then over here off to the left side we have a little toolbar here, and the main area that you're going to want to go to is called Modulars. So if you click on Modulars over here, you will see both the first unit and the second unit right down below it. And so you'll go ahead and just, with Canvas, what you'll do is you'll just click on these, and I have virtual lectures which you'll go into. And so I'll scroll down here a little bit. Right down below here is a lecture, and I do all the lectures in a PowerPoint with my voice and captioning as well. I believe mostly everything's captioned. So just so you know that. So then, you click Next down at the bottom here, and it will go to the quiz review. And keep aware of the deadlines, the due dates for these things. Now this first couple units, because we're starting a little bit late, I usually start on Monday, first of the week with this class, and unfortunately we're not starting till Thursday, so I'll give you a few extra days probably, and I'll probably extend these first couple of units. But go ahead and do the review, and then what you would do is click on Next and go right into the quiz. I give you a couple of opportunities to take a quiz. Notice that there's 2 attempts allowed. Okay, most of the quizzes are about 20 minutes timed, and so roughly about anywhere between 10 and 15 questions. They're all true, false, multiple choice. And then what you'll do is click on Next after you've taken the quiz, and you'll go into the into a video analysis here. There are, I believe, 10 video analyses, each worth 10 points. And so then what you'll do is you'll click on this. This will take you to an external site, which is our media library for this class. And you will go to that and then select the video. For this first one, it's a clip from the movie called Liar Liar. And I want you to answer the questions that are right down below the video, and then upload those into the course room. So you'll get some instructions there. Right down below that, there's a rubric, and I mostly have rubrics for all the assignments, so you'll understand how you're graded on each assignment. Okay? So then once you're done with that, you will go to communication process. Now, this is the face-to-face part right here. Okay? So what you'll do is you'll open this document called Communication Process Exercise and bring that to class. Don't complete it before class. We'll work on this during our face-to-face meeting. And then once you're done with that, you print that out. You'll go to Next, if I can get to it here, and you will actually go to a journal entry. And so right here is your journal entry. You'll have 6 journal entries you need to complete for the course. I'll collect the first 3 about midway through, and then the last 3 journal entries towards the end of the term. Notice the due date down here, And again, also notice that there's a rubric, a scoring rubric that I use for grading the journal entries. So with the journal entries, you're going to want to write these in a blue book or composition book. I would recommend one of those. I don't like anything bulky, so try to keep it small. I mean, even if you want to type it up, I'm okay with that. Okay, once you've done that, then you'll go right to the next unit and go right into intercultural communication. Again, make sure you do your reading in Chapter 2 for this prior, and then watch the virtual lecture, which is right down below here, and you'll do that. That's pretty much it. I mean, that's the basics for navigating the course. You can go over here to discussions. I'll have you go over to the discussion boards from time to time. And notice that I have a discussion board of questions about assignments, sandbox, and troubleshooting. This top one here, you'll probably use a fair amount. If you have any questions about any assignments, go ahead and post those. And I can answer those, or your classmates can help you with those as well. And then the sandbox is just for holding a conversation with somebody about anything in the course. And then troubleshooting is if you're having any kind of technical issues. Maybe I can help you when your classmates can help you in solving the problem. Right down below that, we have our regular discussions, which right now I've got 3 Truths and Lie check-in. So make sure that you've checked in if you haven't done so already. And then you get to reveal your truths and tell the truth section. So you get an opportunity to do that. The other 2 discussion boards are open for Chapter 2, and these are on culture. So those are open as well. So I'll open these as we get through each section and do that as well. Other than that, you'll want to go into your grades over here. I will definitely post announcements on a regular basis, and I'll try to send you emails as well to keep you on top of some things that you need to know about. That's pretty much it for now. So I wanted to get you more acclimated with the course room today, and hopefully answer a few questions that you might have. That's pretty much it for now. I don't want to throw too much on your plate right now, but did want to get you started. Feel free to shoot me an email or post it on the discussion board if you have any questions. Thanks, and have a great day.